Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's program is in VB.NET and we will check if an year is a leap year. What is a leap year? Earth takes approximately 365.25 days to orbit the Sun. That is called a solar year. In an ordinary year, there are 365 days. To adjust the calendar for 20.25 fractional days, one day is added every 4 years. That is called a leap year with 366 days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. To determine a year is a leap year, we check that if the year is a multiple of 400 or divisible by 400, an year must be a multiple or divisible by 4 and not by 100. Thank you. Okay guys, I have created a window form application in Visual Studio 2022 and this is our form. I'm going to add controls for the application to check for the leap year. So we need a label. Let's say enter year. Let's name it LBL year and we enter a text box, list box and text box. Okay, let's name it year, txt year, and a button. Let's name it check, btn check, and text check. Okay, we add a text box for output and we keep track of all the years entered. So let's make it multi-line. Okay, save it and let's add a event handler. Okay, this is our event handler for the click event of the button. Handle the event and determine leap year. Okay, we need variables. Okay, let's say we have dim int year as integer. Okay, we pass the value of year text box. If integer dot try catch, a try parse is a good option because this will fail any non-numeric number. So we pass in text txt year dot text and the int var. Int year is going to store the past value. Then and else, if fails, we show a message box dot show invalid year entered. Okay, now check the value of year for leap year. So to be a leap year, it needs to be int year mod 400 is equal to 0, must be divisible by 400, or int year mod 4 is equal to 0, must be divisible by 4 and not int year mod 100 is equal to 0. Then okay, this is the condition, must be divisible by 400, must be divisible by 4 but not by 100. Okay, so if this is true and it is a leap year, we add txt, let me name it txt display. Okay, so txt display dot text and int year dot toString and plus VB tab plus yes plus VB new line. And if it is not a leap year, we copy this line and say no. Let's test it. So 2000, check, yes, it is a leap year. 2001, it is not a leap year. And 2004 should be a leap year. 8 leap year, and 10 not a leap year. That's it, guys. It is a very simple application and good to start learning Visual Basic. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and encourage the content. Thank you. See you next time.